here, the tech teacher, going to explain to you how to use Computer Lab about me, how to complete the assignment. Let's begin. Let's find our links folder, double click. Let's look for the Classroom logo. There it is, double click. Let it load. I see all the Google Classrooms, but look for your name. I'm going to use Mrs. Sparsa's as an example today. Okay? Let's click on classwork up top, and then let's look for the assignment. I'm going to scoot this little thing over here that I have. There it is, Computer Lab About Me. Go ahead and click on it. Let it load, and you'll see your name with the name of the assignment. Click on it. Here I have an example I've already done, but let me change some of this so that you see how it kind of looks like when you see it. Up here we have the name. When you see yours, it says name, but notice that I can click at the end and delete writing there, text there. Put in what my name is. Down below in the gray, yours might have said nickname. You can leave it, change it. I put tech guy there. Notice I can click and drag the word. I can double click on it. I can click at the end of the word and delete it, but here let me change my name style. If I have it highlighted, this number here lets me change the size. So I shrunk it a little bit, and then we want to change the style. This is called font, and so there's several to choose from. You choose what works for you. On the side here we can make it darker. That's what the B is, bold. The I, it means italics, kind of slanted. U for underline. And this A is just an example of the color of the letter, and the brush is the background. So make adjustments as you want. If you don't like it, press undo. But remember, the name or the writing, the text has to be highlighted. Down here, don't forget your age, grade, teacher. You can click in the space. Yours will be empty, but mine was a practice one I had already done, so I'm just deleting some of this. Clicking at the end, hitting backspace. Again, for this example, I'm using Esparza, but you put in your teacher. Oh, and then this piece here, if I click down here, I can push enter and push it back so that it all fits on the right. Now I'm going to delete this writing, and what I like about technology is, so you put what you like. This example I'm putting, I like to practice typing. This middle section, I'm going to click and highlight all of it and hit backspace. What I want till, oh yeah, and if I make a mistake, I can always hit undo. Here I want to say what I want to learn about technology. This here is what I want to learn. I want to learn to send emails to friends. This last section, what I want my teachers to know about me is, I want my teacher to know that I like to read and write. Oh, write stories, period. Let's move on to pictures. You have a panther there. You can leave it. Don't do anything. But if you want, you can click on it. Click backspace, deletes that photo. Up here on insert image, right? Let me show you again. Insert image. Search the web. Over here on the right, you'll see a box, and you can type in what you want. For our example, we want a panther. We want a different kind of panther. So I'll click this panther, click and drag, and then let go where you want it. And so there I have that. Let me show you another way. Let me move this out of the way. I can click on it, hit backspace. Maybe I want this guy. If I click on it 2 times, the picture will show up as well. I'm going to hit backspace, get rid of that, insert, search the web. Let me put in a different one last one to show you another way I can do this. Let me click on the panther, insert. When I clicked on that insert button, now I have the photo. The blue corners here, if I click and drag them, I can make them smaller, bigger. This little blue dot lets me spin the panther around. Spin it, put it where you want it. if I click on the middle of the panther, I'm not going to do it right now, but I can move the panther around, but we're going to leave him right there. And so you're pretty much done. Let's go back up here to Google Classroom on the top. Over here where the assignment was, let's click on View Assignment. My teacher one shows a little something different, but yours will look like this screen of mine. On the right corner, you should see something that says Turn In. So go ahead and click Turn In, and then you'll show up again in Turn In. And that's all you do. Thanks for watching, guys.